Yes, I'm close on it now. I'm painting now and don't have probably another 3 weeks and it'll be listed. Should make at least 100.
Tom here, Flip Anything USA. Got a very special guest here. This is Shane George. He's a fantastic student. He's already made 3 deals. Shane, welcome to the podcast, and I appreciate you taking time here to share your success with everybody.
Thanks, Tom. I'm more than happy to help any way I can today after all you've done for me.
It's the best thing I ever did.
And you really, you've made me proud. And I'm telling you, just you're an asset to you're so motivational. You've done so well in such a short amount of time.
Hey, I just cause all the resources I got. Cause I mean, I'm a new guy. I don't feel like I know anything yet, you know? I mean, seriously, I just kept it.
You go to work with what you know. You know, it's taking action. Some people are paralysis by analysis. And now you've already made over 100 grand between 2 deals. And you've got another one you've already got under contract, or you purchased. So you might make another 100,000 on, correct?
Yes, I'm close on it now. I'm painting now and don't have probably another 3 weeks and it'll be listed. Should make at least 100.
So Shane, how long have you been in the mentorship now?
I think it's around 8 or 9 months right now.
From the moment you got in the mentorship, did you feel like you made the right decision, or were you concerned?
Oh, wasn't any doubt. It's the best decision I've made. I mean, I'm just so excited about it.
So is it fair to say that if you hadn't got in the mentorship, you probably wouldn't have made the deals and the money that you made?
I wouldn't have made any one of the 3 deals. There's no doubt about it. I mean, I just followed what you taught me and kept it simple. And I've got 3 deals already.
And so, Shane, a lot of people like to know that they're actually being mentored. Have you ever talked to any salesmen?
No.
Only me, correct?
Only you or guys in our class on our Zoom meeting.
And whenever you've reached out to me for help, have I always been there?
Yeah, every time. Yeah, you're easy to get a hold of.
Yeah,
that's what makes it so great, is you're so accessible.
You make me look good, man. It's just a wonderful thing seeing what you've done in such a short amount of time too. It's very inspirational to new students, and we've got some tremendous success stories now. Everybody's always happy for each other, but of course it's always nice when it happens for yourself, right?
Yeah, that's kind of icing on the cake there.
Shane, congratulations. So hey, what would you say to somebody thinking about getting into the mentorship?
I think it's the best thing you can possibly do. I mean, it's changed my whole life. The resources available are astounding. I'm a new guy. I just try to keep it real simple and just go by what you've told me at the beginning, start learning property values, drive the barbells. I just follow the fundamentals, the techniques that you've taught me in the mentorship, and just try to apply them to, my situation, everyday life.
To learn how to make millions of dollars in real estate. I've made tens of millions over my lifetime, and I'm showing people how to do it. Get in my free webinar. I have it every Thursday, 7 p.m. Central. Go to the link below, FlipAnythingUSA.com/webinar. Sign up for it. You can talk to me face to face if you want. Don't waste any time. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. You don't want to miss my channel. I've been doing it for years.